Molly, do you have any testimonials?
Yes.
I have very strange hiccups. They sound more like burps, and they're very painful. And the only thing that has actually worked is this straw. So I'm gonna drink it now.
Please let it work.
No hiccups.
Wow. That's crazy.
So why can't I get a straw
Right.
and close it down so that it's taking me a lot more pressure?
Right.
And I don't need this thing.
Very good question. You know, the thing is that to control that diaphragm, you need to reach to a certain pressure.
So I
But
can't,
you
I
feel
can't
free to
emulate this with a straw. I've got to get this.
Right.
So I'm just curious about your background.